Hello students, welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. This is Naresh Verma, your English teacher. Today I will discuss the lesson number 1, Prose to class 9th, that is Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. This lesson is about a mischievous boy, that is Tom Sawyer. He has lost his parents already, so he is living with his aunt. That's name is Aunt Polly. Aunt Polly is very kind towards him from inside but strict from outside, because she never wants to make her son Tom lazy and wicked in the following days. One day, Tom was stealing jam from the cupboard, for which he was already warned about his Aunt Polly to keep away from there. But when he was found stealing the jam from the cupboard, his Aunt Polly scolded him and tried to hit him. But he escaped from her punishment. Then she decided to punish him anyhow. Next day was Saturday, and on Saturdays the schools were off. So she decided to punish him by making him whitewash the fence. Next day, Tom came out, in one hand a bucket full of whitewash, and in the other hand brush. When he started whitewashing the fence, he saw that it will take the whole day, and it was so boring. So Tom did not like to whitewash the fence. He thought, and after some time an idea came to him. He saw his friend Ben was coming down the street. Seeing Ben Rogers, he started working hard on the fence. He showed him that he was much interested in his work. Actually, he was pretended to be interested in his work. When Ben came to him, he was surprised to see Tom whitewashing the fence, because already he was very lazy and wicked. So he was surprised why Tom was busy that day. When Ben asked him that he was working on the day of holiday, he told him that it was not work. It was an interesting job. He was saying that he was entertaining with whitewashing. Ben thought for some time, and after some time he begged Tom that he also wanted to whitewash. But Tom denied. He told that his Aunt Polly asked him to do the work by himself, otherwise if other boys are allowed to do the work, they will spoil the work. When Ben begged him again and again, Tom was ready to give him the job on one condition. When Ben Rogers gave him his apple against the work, Tom started eating his apple, and Ben Rogers started whitewashing the fence. In the same way, when other boys came down the street, they also wanted to whitewash the fence, and they also had to give him their best things for whitewashing the fence. This way, Tom was successful in his planning in getting his work done by his friends. This way here, part 1 of this lesson is completed.